Bittergourds, commonly known as Karelas in India, they are so bitter it makes you want to puke sometimes. Oh, but let me tell you this, they are so healthy. You can't find these kind of health benefits in any other vegetable, to be honest. You can make curries with these, but my personal favorite has to be the Karela chips that my mom always makes it. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, do share this recipe and subscribe to my channel for more delicious content. So let's get started. First things first, we'll be taking 3 fresh karelas. Make sure you wash them very well and then slice them up nice and thin. Once you're done, soak them in salty water for about 5 minutes. Salty water, pat them dry and keep them aside. Now in a bowl, mix 1 cup of flour and a quarter cup of corn flour. Coat the dried Karela slices in this mixture. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and some dried thyme. For shake the bowl or the container so that all these slices are evenly coated. Now, what you have to do now? Take your pan and make sure that you have hot oil ready, and carefully drop these coated slices into the hot oil at medium temperature. Now let them fry on one side until they turn golden brown. Then flip them. Don't stir them. Keep an eye on them to ensure that both the sides are crispy and perfectly fried. Remove them once they are perfectly golden. So now place them on the rack so that you can drain all the excess oil, and there you have it. Now you have your crispy Karela chips are now ready. These are the perfect snacks for evening or for monsoon seasons. Anytime you can actually have them. So serve them up with your favorite favorite sauces, add chai or any. That's it. So okay, now it's for the tasters, and Bismillah. Yeah, you can actually hear the crunch, right? So do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. So until next time, thanks for watching.